Have you ever noticed gaps between teeth, gum recession, loose gums, discolored teeth with progressing age? I am Dr. Shivnagini Elavati, a senior implantologist at Simpladent Immediate Loading Dental Implants. Today, we are going to dwell into a topic that affects us all, aging and dental health. Try to understand that as we age, our bodies undergo various changes and our oral health is no exception. It's crucial to understand the intricate connection between aging and dental health to maintain a healthy smile throughout our lives. Let's start by discussing some common dental issues that arise with aging. One of the most prevalent is gum diseases, also known as periodontal disease. As we age, our gums may recede, exposing the roots of our teeth and making them more susceptible to decay and infection. Additionally, tooth decay becomes more common as we age. Years of wear and tear, along with changes in saliva production and composition, can contribute to an increased risk of cavities. Another issue many seniors face is dry mouth, which can result from certain medications or medical conditions. Saliva plays a vital role in maintaining oral health by washing away food particles and neutralizing acids that can cause decay. Despite these challenges, maintaining good oral hygiene is essential for seniors. Brushing twice a day with fluoride toothpaste, flossing daily, and using an antimicrobial mouthwash can help prevent dental problems. Regular dental checkups are also crucial. Your dentist can detect and treat any issues early on, preventing them from progressing into more significant problems. Nutrition plays a significant role in maintaining dental health, especially as we age. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals, particularly calcium and vitamin D, is essential for keeping our teeth and bones strong. Limiting sugary and acidic foods and beverages can help prevent tooth decay and erosion. Drinking plenty of water is also beneficial for oral health as it helps rinse away food particles and keeps the mouth hydrated. The importance of dental implants. For those who have experienced tooth loss, dental implants can be life-changing. Unlike traditional dentures, implants provide a permanent solution that looks, feel, and function like natural teeth. At Simpladent Immediate Loading Dental Implants, we specialize in providing patients with high-quality implant solutions that restore their smile and confidence. As we age, maintaining good dental health becomes increasingly important. By understanding the connection between aging and oral health and taking proactive steps to care for our teeth and gums, we can enjoy a healthy smile for years to come. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos on dental health. Until next time, take care of your teeth.